Good morning, Dan Swede with Hydrochem Systems. These are some of our stock Platinum Plus wheelie bin cleaning trailers or trash bin cleaning trailer packages. These are the top of the line in the industry. Typically you've got super heavy duty trailers, double doors on each side of the trailer for easy access. It's kind of important to get the work and service. A lot of the other ones are basically they'll stick a pressure washer on their economy model, a tank, and then dump all the wastewater into the rear hopper. We definitely don't believe in that. We basically have a 270 gallon supply tank, 270 gallon wastewater recovery tank. This is a wastewater recovery tank. Water is automatically pumped out of the rear hopper where all the garbage and filth and phosphates and hydrocarbons and other debris that can be classified as hazardous is actually removed from the rear hopper. I'll take you back to show you the rear hopper here. Got the rear hopper. The water is being removed from that on a continual basis. We do not have all this extra weight, which could be a ton or more, over the rear because you don't want to have all that, what do you call it, weight pulling off the back of the trailer. You know, that you need good tongue weight in order to have a stable trailer or truck mount. Other aspects are running 1/4 inch aluminum. Copper, all these trailers can be custom painted. About any color. We can also color match if you like to. The PPG industrial coating. Dual vent lifters. Automatic lockout for safety. The arms will not open unless once it's lifted off the ground. It protects the employees, the bins, the equipment by accidentally falling out of the arms. We have a master power kill switch system. This in itself shuts everything down. So if your lifters are up in there, you're in a parking lot, some competitor, somebody wants to push around and drop the lifter onto some car or vehicle, it's not going to happen with the additional lockout system. We also have a lot of diagnostic lighting to let you know if you have power going to your vacuum recycling unit, transfer pumps, etc. So if you have an issue out of state, it's not too big of a problem because we're able to assist you. Let me show you. I also have a 20 gallon winterizing tank. Most important, dealing with a lot of municipalities, is making sure you have the proper filtration system. I'm really tight here, so this is part of the HydroClear package here. HydroClear at the 5 mic gets down to 5 micron. It has oil, water, hydrocarbon, fuel, and phosphate filtration, and also carbon for chlorides. Extremely advanced filtration system. This allows you to recycle the wastewater. Instead of only 270 gallons, now you're able to actually have 540 gallons of fresh water to run through the system. It can also help you for your disposal and disposal fees. A lot of times you can go right down into a sanitary sewer. Easier to, if you do have to go to a discharge facility, should be at the minimal cost because of getting down to 5 micron hydrocarbons and phosphates that have been removed from the wastewater. Typically this is actually a 15-stage wastewater recovery and filtration system. There's a lot more advanced filtration. There's actually 3 stages of filtration before it even comes out of the waste hopper and gets into the primary filtration system. We run a vacuum recovery filtration system here. This will be able to recover wastewater up to 100 feet away from the truck or trailer. So you can also do commercial cleaning. Lock-in accounts like Walmart, Target, Home Depot, Lowe's, and Walgreens, which require you to pick up your wastewater, etc. Mainly I wasn't filming this. We do have enough of these. We do build truck mount units. Just waiting on spring tune-up on that one. A couple extra components are going on there. And here's this part of our facility here. This is the production area. And so we have these 2 there. These trailers out here are there's additional inventory here. We have 3 Platinum Plus trailers right now. There was 2 inside. It's 5 Platinum Plus trailers. A gold trailer. This trailer is shipping out to California today. Traditionally, this is how we'll have them wrapped, with like a industrial boat or RV wrap assembly on there. Make sure they get to the customer safely. We also do commercial and fleet washing trailer packages. That's a mini demo trailer for fleet washing right there. Concession stand door on the center to open up to the access of the power washer. So that one's going to Palm Springs, California. Here's some extra inventory. We actually have 2 more right now in the outdoor storage building on top of that. We are anything they're flying out of here, so we're at a non-stop pace at about 2 a week. So, you know, some of our competitor may claim you're the biggest in the industry. Dollar Store is one of the biggest retailers too. Doesn't mean you want to open your company utilizing it or outbuilding with the additional storage out there. I mean, if you're gonna do it, you know, do it right. These are, even my single bin lifter has a 25 horse Kohler big block engine. We need the extra horsepower because there is a 2900 watt, some will call it a 3000 watt generator on board, belt driven pump, stainless steel power washer frame. Upgrade on this one. Still, that's our base model right here. Yeah, believe it or not. The one here on the right is the base model, called our Gold package. It also has an 11-stage wastewater recovery and filtration system, vacuum recovery, up to 100 feet away, 4-wheel electric brakes. All the doors and the steel from the front of the trailer to the back hopper are all made out of 1/8-inch steel. 11 gauge 2x6 box tubing frames, 2x2-inch box tubing uprights. Extreme heavy duty. This can survive on nearly any kind of road conditions. 7K jack on all of them. Even the Gold package has inlet and high pressure hose rails, as we saw earlier in the video. 20-gallon winterizing tank. You can see here, these here, all the Platinums have the master kill switch assembly. 18-gallon gas tank, 18-gallon fuel tanks, 2 270-gallon tanks, 1 supply, 1 recovery tank. Dual gun system. You can actually have two operatives running off of this at the same time. You have the dual guns. And like I said, it preferred, this trailer is completely wrapped. We did the complete sign package and everything. Shrunk wrap, having a journeyed in all the way out to California. Want to make sure it gets there not only in one piece, but in perfect condition. Once again, Dan Swede Hydrochem Systems. I'll dial in here, show you. Sorry about the video being so, walking around with it without any kind of stabilizer. That's us, hydrochemsystems.com. Call us at 616-531-6420. Website is hydrochemsystems.com, all one word. And if you can scan that code, QR code, go and do that.